PT Graha Karya Informasi didirikan pada tahun 2010 yang memfokuskan bisnisnya di bidang IT Training dan Service Solution. Visi PT Graha Karya Informasi adalah menjadi perusahaan IT yang terpercaya dan terdepan. Berlokasi di Gedung Bellagio Residence dan Mall, Mega Kuningan, Jakarta Selatan, menjadikan PT Graha Karya Informasi mudah untuk diakses.
Kami menjunjung tinggi proses dan orang-orang yang berkontribusi pada perusahaan. Agar menjadi perusahaan IT yang terdepan dan terpercaya, kami terus berinovasi dalam perkembangan teknologi yang ada saat ini. Selain itu, kami terus memperbaiki dan memperbarui proses bisnis kami sehingga kepuasan pelanggan kami dapat terjaga dengan lebih baik.
PT Graha Karya Informasi saat ini didukung oleh manajemen yang profesional dan telah berpengalaman di bidangnya, tenaga ahli yang sudah memiliki sertifikasi internasional untuk mendukung pekerjaan mereka dan dibekali dengan pelatihan sesuai dengan job desk sebelum mereka ditempatkan di lapangan ataupun di tempat customer. Untuk memastikan kepuasan dari pelanggan kami, PT Graha Karya Informasi akan selalu memberikan solusi terbaik untuk kebutuhan teknologi informasi yang terus meningkat dan menjadi bagian penting dalam industri dan bisnis. Adapun layanan yang kami tawarkan yaitu IT outsourcing dan headhunter. Tenaga kerja yang kompeten dan siap untuk bekerja sangat dibutuhkan untuk peningkatan kemajuan perusahaan saat ini. Oleh karena itu, kami siap untuk menyediakan tenaga kerja IT terbaik dan terlatih sesuai dengan kebutuhan pelanggan kami. Di antaranya, Network Engineer, System Engineer, Project Manager, dan tenaga kerja yang dibutuhkan di bidang IT lainnya. Desktop Support. Desktop Support merupakan layanan jasa instalasi perangkat keras ataupun perangkat lunak IT yang kami sediakan untuk mendukung pelanggan kami dalam melakukan implementasi sistem baru ataupun relokasi perusahaan. IT Maintenance dan Managed Service. IT Maintenance dan Managed Service merupakan jasa layanan pemeliharaan perangkat keras ataupun perangkat lunak IT dengan konsep ITIL yang terbaik. Untuk memaksimalkan layanan ini, kami telah memiliki 106 titik home base yang tersebar di seluruh wilayah Indonesia dan juga layanan service desk selama 7x24 jam. Notebook Rental. Untuk mendukung mobilisasi yang tinggi dan produktivitas kerja, kami menyediakan perangkat notebook yang dapat disewa secara harian, bulanan, ataupun tahunan dengan spesifikasi notebook yang sesuai dengan kebutuhan pelanggan kami. Payroll Software. Penghitungan penggajian yang akurat menjadi salah satu faktor yang harus diperhatikan. Oleh karena itu, kami siap memberikan solusi yang terbaik kepada pelanggan kami dengan menyediakan sistem penggajian terbaik di kelasnya yang sudah teruji selama puluhan tahun dan digunakan lebih dari 1.000 perusahaan di Indonesia. IT Training dan Certification. Pelatihan merupakan faktor terpenting bagi perusahaan untuk mengembangkan potensi yang ada pada setiap karyawannya. Oleh karena itu, kami menyediakan layanan pelatihan IT dan juga sertifikasi profesional yang didukung oleh para trainer tersertifikasi yang telah berpengalaman serta teruji kompetensinya di bidangnya masing-masing. Berikut ini adalah bisnis provider kami, di antaranya kami berkomitmen untuk memberikan yang terbaik demi kepuasan seluruh pelanggan kami.
More than 9 billion Wi-Fi devices are in use worldwide, and demands on Wi-Fi networks will keep increasing, with new, ultra-high throughput and low-latency applications proliferating by the day. This is where Wi-Fi 7 comes in. The 7th generation of Wi-Fi technology, Wi-Fi 7, also known as 802.11be, works on all 3 frequency bands. This new standard features extremely high throughput up to 46 gigabits per second, which is 4.8 times faster than Wi-Fi 6 and 13 times faster than Wi-Fi 5. It also includes advances that reduce latency, increase capacity, and boost stability and efficiency. If you're struggling with buffering, lag, or congestion, Wi-Fi 7 will be your solution. Whether you're a smart home enthusiast, a gamer, or a professional, you too can experience the most cutting-edge wireless technology. Building off previous Wi-Fi standards, Wi-Fi 7 introduces 320 MHz ultra-wide bandwidth, 4096 QAM, multi-link operation, multi-RU, preamble puncturing, and 16x16 MU-MIMO to provide massive improvements in speed. Throughput has been doubled with the maximum bandwidth increased from 160 MHz to 320 MHz. To further enhance peak rates, Wi-Fi 7 adopts a higher order modulation scheme, 4096 QAM. This packs 120% more data for higher speed. The new multi-link operation mode allows aggregation of 2 or more channels from any available frequency band. This enables devices to simultaneously send and receive data across different frequency bands. In addition to further enhancing spectral efficiency, Wi-Fi 7 supports multi-RU management, allowing multiple resource units to be assigned to a single user. Meanwhile, with preamble puncturing, widened portions of bandwidth can be transmitted regardless of interference. Now, every available piece of the spectrum can be used, raising overall network efficiency. Finally, Wi-Fi 7's 16x16 MU-MIMO technology supports 16 streams to transmit data volume to multiple clients at the same time. With all of these, Wi-Fi 7 will serve as the backbone for streaming, voice conferencing, cloud gaming, smart homes, industrial Internet of Things, the metaverse, telemedicine, and more. These exciting enhancements and major lifestyle changes are made possible by Wi-Fi 7's innovative technologies. More scenarios than you could ever imagine will be unlocked. All these breakthroughs will help the digital age to enjoy even more eye-opening experiences. Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi like never before.
Known as the Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI model, it has 7 layers, each describing a different type of connectivity. Very briefly, those layers are as follows. Layer 1, physical. This includes the cable and wireless connections among devices, as well as specifications of the jacks, plugs, voltages, etc. Layer 2, data link. This layer provides the direct protocol connection between 2 nodes on a network and handles error connection from the physical layer. Layer 3, network. This is the routing layer at which packets are forwarded from their source to their destination. Layer 4, transport. This layer coordinates the transfer of data between systems and hosts by specifying such things as how much data to send and at what rate. Layer 5, session. For 2 devices to transact specific functions between each other, a session is required, and this layer handles setting up sessions, coordinating the rules for communication, such as how long to wait for responses, and how to terminate the session. Layer 6, presentation. At this layer, data is prepared for presentation between layers. For example, data that is encrypted across a network would be decrypted at this layer for presentation to an application at the destination device. Layer 7, application. This is the layer at which applications are displayed to the end user. That's all pretty complicated, and it helps to have a simple way to remember the names and the order of the 7 layers.
Today, businesses have to create workspaces that attract and retain the best talent, ensure employee well-being, and support their net zero journey. These spaces also have to adapt to more hybrid, flexible ways of working. At the core of today's real estate strategies is digital transformation. The ability to deliver an exceptional employee experience while measuring and optimizing your real estate portfolio is now the new norm. The use of data and technology to optimize and transform your real estate portfolio is the foundation for unlocking the true value of space. We know that a smart building is an important real estate strategy, and you can't manage what you cannot measure. Given we are a technology company, we actually had the data and visibility to make informed decisions. With the dollars we saved, we were able to redefine the value of real estate by deploying smart building technology. And so we defined the outcomes and metrics we needed and applied Cisco's smart building tools to our own building, Penn 1 in New York City.
Cisco challenged us to make technology the foundation for the design of this space. It needed to be factored into everything we did. What made this project really interesting to work on is that, unlike most projects, we actually designed with the technology first and built the architecture around it.
It's interesting because today, technology is what's transporting us into the future. The ability to use a digital infrastructure for a better user experience and to manage their real estate portfolio was at the center of what we designed for Cisco.
The pandemic has caused organizations to re-examine the value of real estate. By using technology as the fourth utility, companies are now able to measure their outcomes from their real estate strategy and ensure a better employee experience, all while reducing both CapEx and OpEx. For example, here at Penn 1, which is 54,000 square feet, we started by defining the outcomes and areas we needed to measure. This included occupancy, space utilization, indoor air quality, energy usage, and 92 video endpoints, all while ensuring a better user experience for our employees. Intelligence comes from when you are able to connect and control previously discrete systems. With occupancy data, we can connect with environmental monitoring and control air quality, temperature, and humidity by automatically adjusting blinds, lighting, HVAC settings, and more. This ultimately provides a better user experience while also significantly reducing our energy costs. Smart buildings like this one support Cisco's commitment to become net zero for all greenhouse gas emissions by 2040 and can help businesses increase efficiency and productivity while cutting energy costs and reducing wastes. The digital real estate revolution has begun. Technology is the new fourth utility, and organizations that are taking advantage of this will have a clear competitive advantage. Cisco understands the evolving demands in today's real estate market, and we can help you with your digital real estate transformation journey. Between building a real estate strategy that meets today's needs and embracing digital transformation for tomorrow, there's a bridge. Cisco, the bridge to possible.